Friends, today we will see how to sum up the element of the array. We will see through it simple for loop. So we have declared a function array function which takes the array which contain the element 10, 20, 30, 40. Then we have called the array function. Then we initialize the sum variable to 0. Then we will see the hand run of this for loop. So we initialize the I equal to 0. Array contain 4 element. So array dot length is I less than 4 and I plus plus. So I plus plus means I plus 1. And it contain one sentence sum plus it is a shorthand operator plus equal to array of I. So meaning sum equal to sum plus a of I. So a of I, it is a array of I. So initially I equal to 0. We will check the condition I less than 4. It is a true. So we will enter into the loop. So sum is declared to 0. Sum is 0. I of I is 10. So sum is 10. Then we increment the array. Initially it was 0 and we incrementing it 1. Then I becomes 1. Then we again checking the condition I less than 4. A condition is true. We enter into the loop. Then sum value is 10. We refer that value and a of 1 is 20 is equal to 30. And then we increment the array element. I becomes 1 and we increment it by 1. It becomes 2. We again check the condition I less than 4. Condition is true. Then sum is 30 and a of 2 is 30. So sum becomes 60 and we increment the array and I becomes 3. So we will check the condition I less than 4. Condition is true and the sum is 60 and a of 3 is 40. So sum becomes 40 and I becomes we increment the array and the I becomes 4. So we again check the condition 4 less than 4. Condition becomes false and it will come out of the loop. Control will come out of the loop. So it will come in again come into the this statement and statement will get printed. Sum of arrays sum of the array element colon 100. So we will see other methods too. We will run this code first through developer tool. Sum of array element is 100. So we have a few other methods also. Let's see through the developer tool also through the code. We have initialized the array. Array is same, the 30, 20, 30, sorry, 10, 20, 30, 40. We initialize the array. Then here we have used the for loop. So we will check, we apply the breakpoints. And so first breakpoint is on the initialization of array. We have declared 4 element in the array. Then it will come to the next breakpoint. Sum, we initialize the sum to 0. Then it come to the for each loop. Then we will process each element of the array. Num is 10. Num is 10 because the first element of the array is 10. Sum is 0. Sum is 0 and sum 0 plus 1. 0 plus 10 is equal to 10. Sum becomes 10. Sum becomes 10. So this way we will process second element. So num is 20. Sum is 10. Num plus sum 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. sum becomes 30. And then we will process the next element, that is 30. Sum becomes 30 and num is 30. Sum becomes 60. We will process next last element 40. Sum is 60 and uh, 40 plus 60 is 100. Sum becomes 100. So sum becomes 100 and all the element are processed and we will come out of the for each and we will print it. We will print it, console it. We have consoling the sum. So 10, 20, 30 and the sum become lastly 100. So it got printed 100. We again go back to the source code. Um, Here we declare the array 2 with the same element. Then we here we initialize the sum. So sorry. We have used the reduce function. Reduce function takes the accumulator and the current element of the array. Accumulator is initialized from this value. Whatever we declare here, that will get initial. That will accumulator get with that value initialized. So we are consoling it out. Mm, So reduce the function. So accumulator is 10 because we have initialized to 0 and sum is 110. We are uh, mm, we are summing up 10. Then accumulator is 10 and num is 20, a second element of the array. We are summing up, then sum accumulator is 30, num is 30, then accumulator becomes 60, and last element is of the array is 40. We are summing up and accumulator becomes 40 and we are printing the sum sum 2, which is a 100. So we have also printed here also we have printed the accumulator. So 10, 20, 60 and we haven't passed the cursor to the, so it becomes 100. Last method for summing up. Sorry, friends, and because we consoling the sum of 3, which is non-exist, means it is not exist. Some variable sum 3 is not exist, so we are getting a error. So I have removed it, and we have come to the for loop. We have declared the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a sum 4. And we have used the for of loop. So here it does not, we don't need to initialize the array. It will take directly element from the array. So we initialize here loop control came initialization of the array 4. They initialize the sum 4. Then we are processing the array using a for of loop. So here sum is 0 because we have declared the sum of 4 is 0. Array element is 1. Sorry, here we need to put it 1. Let me check. Refreshing the screen again. So initially I was printing whole array, but my aim is to print a num and sum. So we are come here and we are processing the array element one by one. First element, sum is 0, num is 1. We are summing up. Sum is 6 and sum is 4. Last element is the remaining. Sum is 10 and the num is 5. We are summing it up and we are come out of the loop and we are printing it. So on the console, we can see that some value and the array element 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 2 2, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, and 10 plus 5. So this line is showing the array element, and this first first value is showing the sum of the sum value of the sum. uh, that's it for now. Thank you very much. Please like, share, subscribe.